Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change UPI ID on Google Pay. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now step 1 is just go to the application of Google Pay inside your mobile phone. Now once you open the Google Pay application, so just go to the account settings. Now if you want to go to the account settings, when you have the Google Pay app open, follow these steps. As you can see, like the first one is tap on the profile icon in the top right of your screen. Like once you log into the application on the right side of the top screen, you will see an option called profile. So just click on the profile, and after that just tap on the profile icon in the top right, and from the drop down menu just click on the options of settings. So once you are into the settings, it will directly take you to your account setting page. Now once you are into the account setting page, you can just go into the payment method as well. Now, as you can read, like you will have an interface of your profile regarding various features of your Google Pay profile. So now look below this settings section to create payment methods and UPI link. Now once you go into the payment method section, you will see an option like UPI linked accounts, or tap to change UPI ID. You will see this option as well. Now if you really want to change the new UPI ID, here are some requirements as well, like the character should be 3 to 16 words, and it should include lowercase letters, numbers, and the symbols as well. Now once you are done, make sure to enter the correct details, save it, and after that you will be able to change your UPI ID.